Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do freelancing by using your mobile phone only. Yes guys, you just have to use your mobile phone and now you can do freelancing on Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, peopleperhour.com without having any skill by using your mobile phone only. In this video I'm going to show you everything on live screen, which service you can sell on Fiverr, Upwork and People Per Hour without having any skill by using your mobile phone only. Please try to watch this video till the end. This video is going to be very helpful for you. You can change your life now. You can make lots of money from freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour without having any skill by using your mobile phone only. So please try to watch this video till the end without wasting any time. Let's get started. So guys, now let's start this video. Let me show you how you can make some easy money online from freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork and People Per Hour without having any skill by using your mobile phone only. Yes guys, please try to watch this video till the end. Do not miss any part of this video. This video is going to be very helpful for you. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Now let me show you how you can make some easy money from Fiverr, Upwork and People Per Hour without having any skill by using your mobile phone only. Let's start with Fiverr. Here I just open Fiverr in incognito mode and I search change background. Guys, with this service what you will have to do is you will have to remove the background and you will have to change it with your client background image. It's very easy guys, please don't worry. I will show you how you can do this without having any Photoshop skill by using some free online tool. You can see guys, in this category only 4000 services are available, but if I search white background, then let's see, you can see guys only 2000 services are available. In this service guys, what you will have to do is you just have to change the image background from any color to white color. You can see, and this person is charging $5. You can see guys, I just opened this random gig and you can see this person is charging $5, $15 or $50 as well. You can see this person has 8 orders in queue and this person has already finished 895 orders. You can see guys, according to my experience, only 20 to 30% people give review. If this person has almost 900 reviews, so I can say based on my experience, this person get almost 1500 to 2000 orders. It's very easy guys. I will show you how you can do this without having any skill. So please try to watch this video till the end. Let me open calculator and let me calculate the money, how much money he make with this service. 895 multiplied by $15 standard price, it's almost $14,000, or I can say it's almost $13,000. You can see it's very easy money guys. I will show you how you can do this. Fiverr is the best platform to start in making money online. You can easily make some money from Fiverr. Let me show you my Fiverr profile. You can see this is my Fiverr profile and I have $425 order in queue. You can see it's everything on live screen. Let me refresh the page again. You can see guys, you can easily make money from Fiverr without having any skill. You can see guys, it's very easy money and you can provide this exact same service here on Fiverr. Change background removal or white background, you can give any name. I will write like this. Let me open notepad file. You can see I will you can write title like this. I will do white background removal from any image in 24 hours. You can write your title like this. I will show you how you can do this without having any skill, so please do not worry. You just have to write like this. And here you can see people are making lots of money by providing this simple service here on Fiverr. And guys, same work people are providing here on Upwork as well. Let me write image background removal. I just write image background removal. I will show you how you can do this without having any skill, so please do not worry. You can see this person is charging $10 per hour for background removal and he already makes 30,000 plus dollar. You can see guys, this person is also charging $10 per hour for image background removal, and he already makes 70,000 plus dollar. It's very easy money guys. You can do this work as well, and you can also provide this exact same service here on Upwork as well. You can make lots of money from Upwork. It's very easy guys. You can see people are making lots of money on Upwork. I will show you how you can do this work as well without having any skill by using some online tool, free online tool. So please try to watch this video till the end. You can see this person has already earned 3,000 plus dollar. This person has make almost 80,000 plus dollar. You can see it's very simple and easy work guys. I will show you, and guys, here you can see this person has make almost 400,000 plus dollar. It's very easy guys. I will show you how you can do this work without having any skill. Please watch this video till the end. And guys, if I search the same keyword here on people per hour image background removal, you can see I just search here on people per hour, and you can see I just remove image background removal here on people per hour, and you can see guys, people are charging $10, $15 here as well, and you can see this person has 1,862 reviews. If I multiply 1,862 multiply by $15, so it's going to be almost $27,000, or I can say $28,000. It's very easy money guys. You can also provide this exact same service here on people per hour as well. I will show you how you can do this work without having any skill. You can see people are providing the exact same service. This person is charging $25, and he has almost 3,500 review. If I multiply 3,500 multiply by $25, it's going to be almost $87,000. It's very easy money guys. You just have to come here on people per hour as well, and you will have to make service like this. I will do image background removal. From any image. You can see you can write like this. I will do image background removal from any image in 24 hours. If you provide service like this, you can also make lots of money from people per hour as well without having any skill. Now let me take you to the mobile screen so I can show you how you can do this work without having any skill, and you can start making lots of money from freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, and people per hour. Let me go to my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see here is my mobile screen. Now let me show you how you can do image background removal in just 2 seconds without having any skill by using some free online tool. You just have to open Safari into your iPhone, or if you have Android device, you can open Google Chrome, and here on Google you will have to write remove.bg. You can see it's a website guys, remove.bg, and here you will have to click on upload image button. I just select my image, and you can see, and I upload it on this website. This website will remove background in just 2 seconds. Guys, you can see this website remove my background, and here you will have to click on edit button, and now you can change the background to the any image. You can see, just for an example, I select this image. You can see it remove the background and change to a completely new background without having any Photoshop skill. If I want to make it white background, as I show you before on Fiverr, you can see it's a white background now. So guys, I can change to my background in any color. You can see I can select this color as well. I can select this green color, Fiverr color as well. You can see, or I can change the background to any photo as well. You can see it's very easy guys. You just have to use your smartphone, and you can see you can do this work. So it's very easy guys. You can easily provide this service here on Fiverr or Upwork or people per hour. You just have to provide this simple service, and you can see you can make lots of money from freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, and people per hour. So guys, once you change the image background as like your client want, then what you will have to do is you just have to click here on download button, and you just have to click on download image, and it will be downloaded into your gallery, and you can deliver it to your client on Fiverr, Upwork, and people per hour. You can see guys, it's very easy work. You can make lots of money by providing this service on Fiverr, Upwork, and people per hour. So guys, I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to give me a like on this video, share your best comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. So please keep watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Stay safe.